Good morning and welcome to Axis Direct Opening Bell, a quick pre-market briefing with key global cues, overnight trends, and market-moving insights to keep you ahead. We'll start with the global markets. Overnight, US markets ended higher, driven by gains in technology stocks and easing oil prices. The Dow Jones rose 1.32%, the S&P 500 added 1.48%, and the Nasdaq climbed 2.13%. Asian markets are trading mixed this morning. Japan's Nikkei slipped 0.9%, while the Kospi was down nearly 1%. In contrast, Australia's ASX 200 bucked the trend, gaining 0.8% in early trade. Nifty closed at 24,774, gaining 391 points. The index opened with a strong gap up as easing tensions between the US and Iran pushed Brent crude lower to around $84, boosting overall market sentiment. It formed a strong bullish candle and closed near its crucial 200-day SMA at 24,774, reflecting sustained buying interest. For today's session, a decisive breakout above the 200-day SMA could extend the rally towards 24,900, followed by the psychological 25,000 mark. On the downside, the 21st April swing high near 24,600 is expected to act as immediate support, followed by the 24,500 level. Looking ahead, investors will closely watch the RBI policy outcome on August 5th and further developments in the US-Iran conflict, which are likely to provide the next directional trigger for the market. Kicking off the new month on a spectacularly strong note, benchmark indices surged in a breakout, supported by receding crude, resilient growth, and the rollout of the new F&O closing auction session. The rupee rose for a sixth day, gaining 12 paise to 95.31 against the dollar, while FIIs bought 922 crore rupees in cash, taking a monthly net flow to 922 crore rupees. Nifty futures jumped 196.8 points on short covering, with open interest down 4.5% to 131.6 lakh. Premiums fell from 69 to a 125 discount. Bank Nifty futures surged 436.4 points on short covering. OI dropped 0.9% to 22.7 lakh, down 0.20 lakh. Premiums crashed from 160 to a 386 discount. Options saw long call additions at 24,800, put writing at 24,600, and calls unwinding at 24,400, along with puts at 24,250 in a 1-to-2 put skewed exchange. This lifted Nifty's PCR to 1.40 from 1.39 and Bank Nifty's to 0.94 from 0.91 as VIX ticked up 1.45% to 11.93. The FII long-short ratio climbed to 0.15 from 0.13. Hyper-bullish FIIs added futures and calls while liquidating puts. Directionally bullish prop desks mirrored smart money via synthetic longs, completely trapping deeply bearish clients who dumped futures and calls to pile into puts. Today, track 24,650 strong support and 24,900 major resistance. That's it for today. Please note that this podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Please refer to our website for the full disclaimer. Thank you and see you in the next episode. Investments in the securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.